So before we jump into the course, I first want to go through what you'll be learning as well as the resources we have provided you. I know that you want to get started with the next lessons, but it is important to make the most out of this course, and I even made this video so you don't have to read anything. First off, certain lectures like this one will have downloadable materials that you can get access to by clicking the drop-down resources and then selecting the resource you'd like to download. The entire purpose of this course is to serve as a comprehensive step-by-step guide so you can feel confident tackling any project that requires stepper motor control. I will guide you through using the Arduino platform for stepper motors. We will cover terminology and the inner workings of these motors, and you'll develop advanced strategies and tools for making your own stepper motor projects a success. I'll cover the material by first introducing and explaining a topic through a lecture format. Then I'll get you to apply what I just taught through a practical component where there will be either a short quiz or a practice example that we'll go through together. We will also have some challenge practice for you to really put your new skills to the test. Additionally, we have some pretty helpful course files for you in the downloadable resources lesson in the first course chapter that I would encourage you to download and look at right now. The lecture slides will allow you to follow along with me during the lecture components, and the course reference material contains references to all the terminology and Arduino functions introduced in this course. So if you're going through the course and I mentioned the term frequency and you can't quite remember what frequency means, instead of going back through the videos to find where I define it, you can just refer to the course reference sheet and find it here. Since this course puts a strong focus on hands-on learning, you will need a few extra electronic components to follow along with the examples and projects. Here is a list of all the additional materials. You will need an Arduino Uno with a USB cable, a 28 BYJ-48 stepper motor, a ULN 2003A motor driver IC, a LPS 25 pressure sensor breakout board, and some jumper cables and connectors. Don't worry if you're not familiar with these components yet, as we will be covering them in detail throughout the course. We have also provided a list of links on where to buy these parts in the course material if you don't already have them. Additionally, we designed this course so that you don't need any expensive equipment such as a multimeter, oscilloscope, or soldering iron, so don't let that hold you back. Beginners are welcome in this course. However, you should have a basic understanding of how to use Arduino electronics and programming. You should know how to set up and use the Arduino platform, how to use a breadboard, the basics of digital, analog, and PWM signals, and how to use them. Aside from that, all concepts are beginner-friendly and built upon a grade 10 math and science background. So I hope this video helps you make the most out of this course. And now, let's get started.